Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked into a big art museum, seen crowds moving past famous paintings, and felt nervous about finding your way, or asking for help without feeling silly? Today Hannah, fresh from a latte at Blue Bottle Coffee, walks a few blocks to MoMA, the Museum of Modern Art, at 11 West 53rd Street in Midtown Manhattan, one of the most famous modern art museums in the world, famous for its bold collection of paintings, sculptures, and design pieces from artists like Van Gogh, Warhol, and Picasso. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one simple phrase to ask for help the moment she needs it. Could you help me? You can use this exact phrase at MoMA, or really anywhere you need a hand. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's step inside with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 simple missions. 1. Find her way to a must-see painting with a little help too. Get her audio guide working, even with a small tech hiccup. 3. Pick out the perfect souvenir before she heads home when you're asking for directions, requesting a small repair, or asking for a recommendation. One simple, polite phrase can carry you from the front desk all the way to the gift shop. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for help finding something, politely report a small problem, and ask for a recommendation, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside MoMA. Here are today's 5 key phrases for visiting MoMA. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me find where Van Gogh's Starry Night is? Could you help me find where Van Gogh's Starry Night is? This is today's magic phrase. Notice how warm and direct it is. Could you help me? Invite someone to personally guide you, which makes it perfect for asking for directions or a favor when you're not sure where to start. Key phrase 2. Is there a good spot to start with the highlights? Is there a good spot to start with the highlights? A simple way to ask for a recommended starting point when a place feels big or new. Key phrase 3. Would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on. Would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on. A gentle way to report a small equipment problem without sounding upset. Key phrase 4. I was wondering if you could recommend a print similar to the one I saw upstairs? I was wondering if you could recommend a print similar to the one I saw upstairs? A soft, thoughtful way to ask for a personal recommendation. Key phrase 5. Is it okay if I pay with my membership card instead of cash? Is it okay if I pay with my membership card instead of cash? A quick, polite way to check on a small payment detail. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at MoMA. Hannah walks through MoMA's tall glass entrance on 53rd Street, the lobby soaring atrium bright with afternoon light, museum guests moving quietly between the coat check and the ticket counter. Behind the information desk, folding a stack of gallery maps with quiet precision, is Oliver. A MoMA staff member in his 40s, calm and efficient, saying only what's needed but clearly knowing every corner of the building.
Hi, could you help me find where Van Gogh's Starry Night is?
5th floor. Gallery 1. Follow the stairs past the sculpture garden.
Perfect, thank you. Is there a good spot to start with the highlights?
Start at the top. Work your way down. Saves your legs.
That's good advice.
22 years here. I've learned a few things.
22 years, that's amazing.
Enjoy MoMA.
Nicely done, Hannah. She opened with could you help me find where Van Gogh's Starry Night is? Notice how warm and direct this is. Could you help me? Invite someone to personally guide you, which works beautifully when you're in a big, unfamiliar place and need a clear answer fast. Oliver didn't say much, but every word he gave her was exactly what she needed. This kind of simple, Respectful request works anywhere you need a helping hand. Nice and easy. Near the audio guide counter, leaning against the desk with the ease of someone who's seen it all, is Frank. A MoMA veteran in his 60s with an easy grin, ready with a joke for every little hiccup.
Excuse me, would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on.
Ah, this old thing. It's had a longer career at MoMA than half our paintings.
Is it broken?
Nope, just needs a firm hand. There we go, see? Screen's lighting up.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Happens about 10 times a day. Between you and me, I think it likes the attention.
Well, it got mine.
Enjoy MoMA, Hannah. Gallery 5 has a great new exhibit, if you've got time.
I'll check it out, thank you.
Look how calmly Hannah handled a little tech hiccup. When her audio guide wouldn't turn on, she didn't get frustrated. She simply said, "Would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on." This phrase is gentle and clear. It reports the problem without sounding upset or demanding. Frank fixed it in seconds, and a friendly joke turned a small annoyance into a nice little moment. Even a small equipment problem can turn into a laugh with the right words. In the MoMA design store just off the main lobby, surrounded by shelves of art books, postcards, and museum prints, is Sam, a new MoMA gift shop employee in his early 20s, double-checking prices against a printed list, glancing toward a senior coworker for reassurance.
Hi. I was wondering if you could recommend a print similar to the one I saw upstairs, the Starry Night one?
Oh, yes. We have a few sizes of that one. Let me just double-check the prices, 1 second.
No problem, take your time.
Okay, got it. The small one's $12, the large is $28.
I'll take the small one, thank you. Is it okay if I pay with my membership card instead of cash?
Yes, that works. And, members actually get 10% off, so that's, let me calculate that real quick.
You're doing great.
Thanks. Still learning the system. There you go, $10.80.
Perfect, thank you.
Wonderful. Hannah found her way to Van Gogh's Starry Night with Oliver's help, got her audio guide working thanks to Frank's quick fix and good humor, and picked out the perfect print with Sam's careful help. All with calm, friendly English. At the audio guide desk she used, "Would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on." To report the problem gently, and at the gift shop, "I was wondering if you could recommend a print similar to the one I saw upstairs?" To ask for a recommendation. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one, "Could you help me?" A friendly request plus a helpful team equals a smooth, satisfying afternoon at MoMA. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah's audio guide won't turn on and she wants to ask a staff member for help. Which of these is the most polite way to ask? A. Hey, this thing's broken. B. Would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on. C. Can you fix this audio guide? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 friendly phrases that will help you ask for help and directions anywhere at all. Could you help me find where Van Gogh's Starry Night is? Is there a good spot to start with the highlights? Would you mind taking a look at this audio guide? It won't turn on. I was wondering if you could recommend a print similar to the one I saw upstairs? Is it okay if I pay with my membership card instead of cash? With these 5 phrases, even a big, busy museum feels calm and simple. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah takes a peaceful stroll through Central Park, learning all the English you need for a relaxed afternoon outdoors in New York City. See you next time. Bye-bye.